YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend. This is the Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So today we have another quick fix video on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Today we're going to walk you guys through how to replace the actual ball bearings that are on each of the wheels. Every wheel carries two ball bearings on it, two different sets of ball bearings on it. One comes in from the inside of the wheel and one's going to come in from the outside of the wheel. They work in tandem to make sure that these wheels spin freely for you guys and everything works great. With these pressure cleaners, typically they're only a two-wheel drive. So your front tires are going to have, in this case all of them do, just because they didn't make any front or rear types of tires, but the front tires are going to take a wear on the inner part here. So it is important to make sure that these bearings are up to speed, because if for whatever reason things get hung up on these bearings, you're going to have a metal shaft rotating on a plastic wheel, which could just wear this down and incur more costs for you guys overall, especially on buying an entire new wheel assembly. But today we're just going to show you guys how to take out the old bearings if they're still in there and to replace it with new bearings. Really simple. The nice part with all these is once you take them off the cleaner, which if you want to know how to take them off the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have all the videos that show you how to get to this point that we're at right now. So if you're already here with us, once you have the wheel in your hand, I like to keep one finger on the outside bearing, just kind of gripping it gently from the outside, and then I'll take my other hand and I kind of go in and grab the secondary bearing. As you guys can see, when I take them out, they are different on each side of the bearing. One side has like little notches and you can actually see the ball bearings, and the other side is like a smooth area where you can't see anything, that everything's kind of smooth and covered on the other end. And then as you take it off from the outside of the cleaner, it's going to be opposite. You're always looking to have this smooth side where there's no actual ball bearings, exposed, because then you take more of a risk of getting little pieces of sand or dirt and debris getting stuck in these bearings and locking up your wheel. So it is important they are directional on how they go back into your wheel, as well as how they'll function for your cleaner. So all you're gonna do is you'll go through every wheel as needed, whether or not you actually have these in or if they're gone altogether. It is important to make sure that they're there so that the tires work. To reinstall, you're simply going to take your new ones, and from the outside of the wheel, as you guys can see, this is where the hubcap would actually go, and this is the inside. Obviously, this is where the axle shaft is going to run along this. So you're going to look at the outside of the wheel. You're going to face these notched edges with the ball bearings exposed inward onto the wheel, and all you simply do is just push them in until they can get as flush as you can. Everything's even. The wheels are actually milled so that you can't push the bearing in any farther from the outside or the inside, so you don't have to worry about over pushing or trying to block it from the inside. You just merely push it in. As long as it's in the right direction with the smooth end out, then you'll flip it over, you'll grab your other new bearing, and you're going to do the same thing. You're keeping the flush side faced towards you and the ball bearings actually facing inside. Again, just to make sure that no dirt and debris can really get into those bearings, it's important to make sure that they last for you. So once you push them both in, they both lock in and kind of work in tandem together. You guys can always hold it on one finger and give it a little spin. Make sure everything's spinning freely. Like to switch fingers, try from both sides. So I put pressure on both ball bearings to make sure that it works well. But you'll just repeat that same process for all four wheels to make sure that these wheels are working properly for your cleaner. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the links in the description. We've got all these items available for sale on our website, as well as other videos to show you guys how to fix this cleaner. I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.